All right, people, we got another one. I hope you all doing well out there, by the way. So today we about to open and unbox the VL66 LED video light. This is for your vlogging, YouTubing, and so on and so forth. All right, and that is from VIJIM. Okay, I hope you can see that. All right, this is what the packaging looks like. So yeah, so before all that, make sure to drop one of these. Sub to the channel if it's your first time out here. Share the video if it's any useful to you. Don't forget to turn on your notification, turn on that bell, ding, 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 turn it on so you won't be missing out when we go live or when we drop something. We love you all out here and we love your support. So without further ado, let's get down to business. Let's do it, people, man. So by the way, this comes with a built-in 2000 mAh large capacity lithium battery that takes 2 hours to fully charge. This will last you 120 minutes walking time, which means, you know, full brightness. By the way, this will last you 120. And if you put it on low brightness, this will last you 480 minutes. Okay, working time. I'm not reviewing it. I'm just gonna unbox it quickly and see what all this is about. Let's do it, people. So I'm gonna unbox this quickly. All right, I gotta pause. So what's inside the box? What's inside the box? This is what we have inside the box. Let's see. All right, nothing else in there. A quick instruction guide. Put on the side. Put on the side. It comes with its own USB cable. All right, and the LED light itself. All right. So this is tiltable, 360. Okay, and it will stop. It has stoppers and so on and so forth. I hope this got a little bit of juice so we can turn that on. So to turn it on, you gotta press this button. I hope it has a little bit of juice at least, so you can. Let me see. No juice. Okay, wait. All right, let me charge this thing and come back. All right, let's talk about the back of the product quickly. Let me zoom on that quickly. This side of the light, right at the top here, that's to dim, bright, low. Right here are your LED indicators. These gonna tell you how much battery you got left. Okay, the CT stand for color temperature. Right here, you can control that. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. This side, you'll find your port for your charger, which is a USB Type-C. Okay, I like that, by the way. I like that a lot. Right at the bottom of the U-stand, we got the cold shoe, and you know exactly what to do with this. So I'm gonna leave all the details and the fixtures about this product on the screen and right down below for those of you that want to know more. The links will be also right down below about this from Amazon. So you know, double check that out if you're interested. Use our links for it. And now I'm gonna power this thing on. Right here is your power button. Okay, let's see how bright this gets. Is it working? Because I haven't charged it fully, so I don't know if it's gonna work. All right. All right, it's on right now. So let's brighten the room. Come on, where's the light be? Okay. So what I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna turn off the lights. So the lights are off now. Let me turn this thing on quickly so we can see what it is all about. All right. So you see how bright this gets? That's your indicator, by the way, the LED indicator. So I've not charged it fully, but you can see already how powerful this gets. So here you can change, you can also change the ambient light, warm or cold, all up to you. You can see that. All right, this is pretty bright. Yeah, this is pretty bright. For a tiny light, it's pretty bright. Alright guys, I hope this was helpful, and if so, make sure to thumbs up the video. Share the video if it's useful to you. Don't forget to turn on your notification. We love you all here, and we love your support. Keep it safe, keep it late, and as usual, we shall surely see you on the next one. Let's do it and do it, people. Bang, bang. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Yeah.